see it?
Yeah. Okay, here's the bumper all unwrapped. Let's see if I can get you guys a video of how it comes. It's got a primer coat on it. It's got the tow hook covered. I don't know if my OE one will fit that or if that's just fine. But as far as the mold itself, it's all clean. I mean, it looks all nicely done. Pretty smooth, straight out of the box. This will all get prepped anyway because I'm doing a color change on the car. So, like that right there, that's a little bit of ugliness in the primer, but that's fine. It's all getting sanded and sealed. And probably guide coat it too, just to make sure everything's flat, but I don't think I'm having an issue there. They did a pretty good job on packing. I mean, I tore off tons of tape, staples, a whole box of stapled together, and it's also kind of wired together. Sort of weird.
Nothing damaged, that's a big plus. It does come with that, kind of parts, what's coming in the box, so you can go through it and double check everything.
Try to show you the quality of this plastic. It's nicely done. This is the only ugly spot on the whole thing. That's not going to be noticeable. I don't care. It'll look fine. There's 3M tape on there. I guess that could be a little nicer done, but I'll heat it and it'll fall flat. It's no big deal. Let's see. Kind of show you all the parts it comes with. Comes with, looks like all the mounting hardware. Quite a good value, in my opinion. Get everything you need to do the swap, and everything's lights. And I figured they were just going to be some cheap China knockoffs. But I mean, if these aren't OE, they're pretty darn close. They're heavy, quality glass, quality light. I don't know what the OEs actually look like because I have the base model, round, ugly fog light lookers. This looks to be the wiring harness for those, to attach them to mine. Then you got the ducting. I didn't really pull that out. I mean, everything you need to do the swap should be good to go. And the other thing was these. I'll be doing a prep video soon and then an install video. If you guys would like to see any of the other parts closer, or have anything else you'd like to see, just let me know on it. I'll take you guys a video or show you compared to the stock parts off a base model, kind of how everything measures up. But first impressions, looks pretty awesome.